What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online for free in 2019. So if this is your first time to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. I always like to know how far my videos are trending. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. So once again, in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money online in 2019 for free. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to give you real strategies. I'm going to give you techniques. I'm going to show you exactly how you can accomplish at least $100 or more per day using this method. It is absolutely free. You need no money, no investment, but you're going to need your time to do this. So let's jump into it now. All right, guys, so I'm in my computer right now. As you can see, I'm on one of the affiliate networks, and I'm going to show you how you guys can crush it and use this method to make money online through affiliate marketing. So if you're already a part of doing a little bit of affiliate marketing, this is a great way how you can make money, and I'm going to show you how to do it for free. So there's a lot of different networks out there that you can join, but ClickBank is a way to start because they have a large variety of different products. However, if you want to learn how to make money online consistently and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, maybe coaching, consulting, or you just want to get more knowledge about the online space, check out the first link in the description. You will get a 15-day trial absolutely free, and you could see if it's something that you like, get involved. If not, we wish you all the best. Anyways, here's what I'm going to do. This is the ClickBank account. Of course, you can sign up for ClickBank. ClickBank is a great place where to start off if you have no experience whatsoever about affiliate marketing. Now, I'm using health and wellness for this example. However, if there's any niche that you like, feel free to try this same method within that niche. I'm just using this for the sake of this video. Now, health and wellness, there's a lot of different products in here that you can go out and promote. So with ClickBank, if you want to know if a product is hot or if it's selling, check down the gravity right here and you will know if this product is on fire. Now, I've heard a lot of people say, well, you got to find something with high gravity because if there's not a high gravity, it won't sell. Let me tell you, man, people will buy anything. Yes, of course, with high gravity, it's more likely to sell, but don't get caught up of, okay, it has to have a high gravity for it to be sold. No, people will buy it. You just want to make sure that you place the item in front of the people. That's all you got to do. Now, here is Flat Belly Fix. And you want to click on it first, click on it, watch the video, feel free to go through it, see if it's something that you would love to promote. Not because of the money, but see if it's good. It has great reviews. It is a good product. A lot of people buy it. So you can check it out. Now, for the affiliates, which I'm sure that's what you are watching this video, down here, you'll see the affiliate page. So if you click on where it says affiliate, you'll see a lot of different banner ads, different things that you can use to go on and start promote. They also have like email copies that you can use as well. And I'll tell you more about the email marketing in this video. So make sure you watch it to the end. If you want to boost your daily income or weekly or whatever it is, using the same method that I'm going to share with you. So come through here, see which one you want to use. Yeah, let me see right here. Yeah. So you pick whichever one you think you want to use. Not a problem because your customers or whatever is going to see it once they click on it. So pick something that you think is good, and then you could get rocking and rolling. Now, here's the thing. If you want to promote, you click on where it says promote. Let me just do a bigger screen share. Hang on one second. All right, so I'm going to do a bigger screen share, make sure everything is all in. So now I'm clicking on here where it says promote. Now you click on promote, you always want to track it. So for this specific method, I'm going to be using YouTube. And I'm going to show you how you can crush it and make money for absolutely free using this method without no money out of pocket. And I'm going to show you, if you start making money, how you're going to boost that and start to make more money. Because when you make money, you put it back. That's the way to do business. So you can create a hop link. And yeah, this is going to be YouTube. You can call it YouTube 1, YouTube 2, 3, 4, all the way up. And I'm going to show you how to crush it. I'm going to come back to that later, but let's jump over to YouTube. Now, we want to promote flat belly fix. So I would just copy this. I would go to YouTube. I would type this in, click on flat belly fix, and see if there's any videos on there. Yes, they are. Tons and tons of videos. Lots of videos on here that you can use. Now, if you want to use this method, feel free to click on where it says Creative Commons. And with Creative Commons, you can then look and see which videos that you can reuse on YouTube. All right? So when you use Creative Commons, you can upload that video again. You can get an amazing thumbnail. You can make it look good. Do a little bit of editing. So if it's like 7 minutes long, you can like chop it down to like 650. You don't want to have it the same length, and just use a killer thumbnail. Now, you want to find the videos that have a lot of views. This one has a lot of views. This one doesn't have a lot of views. This one definitely, this is a year old. Feel free, you can use that. Nothing is wrong with using another Creative Commons. And if you're in the health and wellness niche, the fitness niche, and you want to create a YouTube channel around that, it doesn't matter. You can get videos all over. So if you even want to type in fitness, type in the word fitness. Once you type in the word fitness, you will see a lot of videos. Again, come here and put a Creative Commons and try to find, like, look at this, 14 million. If you scroll down here, you will see a lot. Like this guy right here, his is Creative Commons 6 minutes. I'll just go on here. I'll just pick this one.
What's up, guys?
Pick this one. Well, that's not him. That's an ad. I'm just going to skip that real quick. Right? So this guy right here. Great little video. Great, great video. So if you click on here, you see Creative Commons. Reuse allowed. Now, he said, hey, you can upload this. You can use it again if you want, which is amazing, because I'm going to show you how you can take the video down. And I'm not going to go into details of how to like upload it or how to do the editing and all that kind of stuff. I just want to keep this at minimal so it is enjoyable and just get straight to the point. So first thing you want to do, this is the video. If you click up here, this is the video right here. You could type in the word SS right before the YouTube. So after that, YouTube, and then once you do that, it's then gonna come right here. Now you see that, right? Now if you come down here, you can click on download in browser. Download, it is safe. You could download it. When you're gonna take that video, then you can just immediately put it up on your channel. But just be very, very careful. Again, do not use a video that is not allowed to reuse, because YouTube and people who own these videos will give you rights for you to upload. So that's how you can upload, create a health and fitness channel, and then you could start to promote these products. Now, it doesn't have to be flat belly tea. It could be lean belly breakthrough, right? This one has a good gravity. Now, I'm just sharing with you this because this is a great way how to make money for free. Do keep in mind that if you put up 1 video or 2 video or 3 video, it's not gonna go viral. You have to be consistent, grow your channel, find keywords. And if you wanna know how to, use the keywords as well, you can go on a website that is called, you could go on Transcribe Me. That way you can, that's when you start making money. You can then upload it. This can be done anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter what country you're from, as long as you're allowed to sign up for ClickBank or all that type of stuff, then yes, you can go and find other networks all over the place. And this is not only just for the health and health and fitness niche. It is good for any niche. So any niche that you're in, you can use the same method, same strategy. Create a YouTube channel, upload videos consistently. Don't just upload one video and then say, well, you're gonna sit and wait. You have to be consistent. And then once you do that, I'm gonna show you, give me 1 second. Once you do that, I'm gonna share with you what's the next thing you're gonna do. And that's for people who absolutely have no money. It's okay. You have no money, you can make it for free. Once you start making money and the money start rolling in, money coming in, you want to invest back into your business. So the next thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you create a capture page. And there's a lot of different websites out there that you can get capture page, such as like ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, you have Online Sales Pro, Lead Pages, Builderall, and there's so many different things that you can. If you guys want to check out those softwares, I have a couple down in the description. Feel free to check it out as well. So then when you start to take it to the next level, money start coming in, you can then create a capture page using the tools that I just recommend. And then you're going to send them to whatever offer, or this is going to be your thank you page, right? Thank you page. You can put a little picture up here if you want, a little bit of note about yourself, and then call to action here. Because then you're going to email those people, and then they go directly to the offer. So this is the offer. This is the flat belly tea fix thingy. And watch the video, and then they come here, and then some people will buy. Some people will buy, some won't. Now the people who submit their email here, they're going to go onto your list. All right, check out the description again. Loads of things down there. They're going to get onto your list, and then you can use, remember, they gave you the information. So let's say, hang on 1 second. Let me go back to the affiliate page. So remember, at the beginning, I said they gave you email swipes. So you can click on the email swipes. These are the email swipes that you're going to use. All right? Email swipes. Like, look at this. 1 cup a day. All this stuff. You can use this. Kind of tweak them a little bit if you want. But look at all this. These are pictures of other people. You can use this because the company gave you permission to use this stuff. So you could take all this information, upload it onto your autoresponder, and then you could then send out emails to your customers that come to your YouTube video and submit their email, right? So then they're going to start getting emails. So you're going to use those same emails that you receive, right? And you're going to send them directly back to the offer. Send them back to the offer. Send them back to the offer until you start making sales, till you start making money. That's the way how you do when you start getting money in, right? This is the way, of course, autoresponders and all those things is you got to pay for those. But in the beginning, I showed you how to make money for free. So you're going to take your link. Let's say you uploaded 1 YouTube video. So you can put YouTube video 1. So you always want to make sure you track everything. You go to YouTube video 1, and then you don't want to use this long link, right? You don't want to use this long link. You don't want to use this. So you want to copy this. You want to use a website that I call bit.ly.com. You can use Rebrandly as well. It's a great place. So there's so many different places that you can use, and then you could stick this under your YouTube videos. You can put a little bit of what we call SEO, or type in, a couple of different keyword research. If you don't know keyword research, it's okay. You can go on Google Trends. So let's hop over to Google Trends. So if you go to Google Trends, and once you go to Google Trends, you can find out, okay, what is hot, what is not. So you can type in some keyword, right? Belly fix, flat belly fix. And then once you type that in, you will see this wave. Like, look at this, January. Oh my goodness, this thing is taking off. You see this? It's taking off shooting this video right now. So look at that, the 21-day flat belly fix. So you can use all these keywords inside of your YouTube videos. Put them, write something nice. I'm sure you can write something nice and put these keywords. Put these keywords in your video, in the tags as well. But you can do that again. Create a YouTube channel around fitness, and you could still have that fitness channel and direct them back to your affiliate link. And once you find a video that goes viral, I'm telling you, that's how you're gonna make money online for free in 2019. I hope this video helped, guys. I wanted to make sure I went over everything. And if you have any questions, drop it in the link down below. And I mean, not in the link down below. Drop in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I hope this video helps because I created this channel to help as many people. Thank you so much for watching. And that's how you make money online for free in 2019. Peace.